Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own date paste from the comfort of your home. We have date paste, date syrup and date powder. For so many reasons, I just totally love the wholeness that comes with date paste. And so yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. All right, so we have our dates, also known as Debino in northern part of the country, Nigeria. This is as much quantity that I'll be using, so you know what you need. I mean, you know the quantity that is just fine for you, and you know how much to purchase if you're trying to make yours. So I go straight to washing it, and if you see, I introduce salt in it because I feel like, okay, I really want to do a thorough washing. This is for a baby, so yeah, I had to, make sure I wash very well. And if you notice, I'm picking them one after the other. That was how I did for till I was done. I washed them one after the other till I was done. The water isn't that bad because yeah, I already washed it the first time, right? So I'll just go one more time. I washed it 3 times. First time with the salt, and then I rinse, and I rinse out the salt, and then I re-rinse. I will implore you to look out for the benefits of dates paste. In fact, date as a whole, and I'm sure you would love it. If you're going to be using it for the first time on your child, I think you should go gradually to see how best they try with it. My child is currently 14 months old, and yeah, she's a toddler already, so I think it's just fine. Yeah, okay, so after rinsing and washing thoroughly 3 times, you soak with a clean water, the water your baby drinks. Yeah, the water your child drinks is what you are going to use in soaking it and set aside for 24 hours. So the next day you open it up. This is about what you would have. Trust me, I was scared at first, like, okay, what's going on here? Is this fermenting? As this pulse and all? But the water was a complete juice on its own. It was so should I say honey like or sugar like? Okay, because of how soft it had turned, you just need to just press a little, and then the seed comes out, and then you introduce into your blender. Pour the water, and that's the reason why you need to use a clean water, so that you don't need to start trashing that all of that goodness away. So I just poured the water inside, and of course I blended. You blend to a smooth consistency, and see, look, this part is not exactly needed, yeah, because we're making the paste and not the syrup. But I just thought that, okay, just in case my blender did not do a perfect fineness with the blending, and I'm making it for a child, I just do not want, any kind of issue. But trust me, you can skip that part of sieving because this is going to be whole. Yeah, so after that, you introduce into your pot, and on low heat, you heat and heat and heat till your eye judgment tells you it's fine. But I was going to say till it turns a bit of brown, but sometimes I realize that some species of this date will not change color. Yeah, and most times the honey, the syrup, when you're trying to make the syrup, okay, excuse me, when you're trying to make date syrup, it's easier for it to turn that honey like color than paste. So yeah, that's it. I set aside. Yeah, after boiling, and I'm sure that it's okay because it's there sticking to the pot, I just immediately allow to cool, put it in a container, and put in my fridge. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe.